feel sick to my stomach. Like, I came in for an oil change. Why am I on the side of the road? Good morning, friends. Welcome back to my channel, Where is Brittany? I'm Brittany, and I'm coming to you from inside of my very cold, tiny home on wheels, Domino. So for this week's video, I'm actually going to do some maintenance work on Domino. And when I say I'm going to do maintenance work, I mean Walmart is going to do maintenance work on Domino. I'm getting her oil changed today, and also I'm going to have them look at her tires in the back. A few months ago, probably, I say a few months, but probably like 6 months ago, Domino got 2 front new tires, and I have 4 kind of like all-weather snow tires on the back, her dualies. I want those actually looked at, and I want to price 4 new tires to see how much it's gonna be. Just, you know, just to have a peace of mind for while I'm on the road this summertime. So Domino is a little bit messy right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and get her straightened up, ready to hit the road. It's freezing, so I'm gonna turn on my Mr. Buddy heater while I get everything straightened up. And I work best with music, so I'm about to turn on my driving playlist. I'll link that playlist below, and basically that's just what I listen to while I'm driving. I'm gonna go ahead and get to it. Time to clean up.
I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Hey, sweet talk. You need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way,
Domino is in tip-top shape. She is ready to hit the road. So I will catch y'all at the Walmart store.
Show me something. Give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you're a good guy.
All right, my friends, it looks like it is a line, so I'm about to go check in because I see another red car. He may try and jump in front of me, so I'm gonna go and check in and see what the wait time is gonna be like.
It feels so nice. I can't help that the sweet talk. I'm already on my way.
All right, friends, I just dropped Domino off, and now I have some time to wait. Last time I was here, I was able to go to a donut shop within walking distance, so I'm gonna make my way to this donut shop and get me a latte or something because I'm kind of cold, and wait for Dom to be ready. So let's go.
Want nothing here or now, but I'm done waiting. Done wasting my time. Let the sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes.
So the eating area inside was closed, and I got me some donuts. I actually got 4, 2 for me, 2 for Andrew, and they were on like $4 for both, well, for all 4 donuts. Yeah, it's too cold to kind of sit out here, so I'm about to go back to Walmart. There is a Dunkin' Donuts inside, and so I'm gonna get a latte from Dunkin' Donuts. They have seats inside of there, so I'm gonna just take the party back to Walmart and sit inside because it's just too cold out here. I see the sun trying to come out, but yeah, I need some coffee or something.
Sweet talk. You need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Sweet talk, sweet
I was quoted tires and stuff, but they have copyrighted music in the background, so I think I'll just talk to you guys once I get back in town. See ya. 2 hours later, still not ready. Alrighty, my friends, I hope you can hear me and see me okay. So basically, over 2 hours later, I received a phone call from Walmart, and basically they told me that they weren't able to do my oil change after 2 hours because my drain plug is actually stripped. they said that every time they tried to loosen it, it would tighten back up. And so basically, they looked in the system, and I haven't been back to this Walmart since February of last year. That's when I got my oil change here and got those new tires on Dom. Now, after that, I took Domino in for a tune-up at this local place here. I have their phone number on my keychain, and spent quite a bit of money there for Domino's tune-up and for her oil change. And basically, I'm going to call them up and let them know what Walmart said, and we just go from there. Because basically, they're the ones who stripped or possibly stripped my drain plug, and so they're the ones who need to fix this. So yeah, much I appreciate it. Bye. Okie dokie, so I just got off the phone with these people, and basically she wants me to bring Dom in and look over, I guess, what Walmart was talking about. She wants to check the drain plug to see if it is stripped or if they can do something about it. Yeah, I'm happy. She's like, just come on and bring it in, because like, yeah, I still have the receipt and everything, and I paid about almost $2,000 about 6-7 months ago for Domino's, you know, repairs and her tune-up and oil change and stuff. So I'm about to head back home, and because I tried to call Andrew to see if he could meet me over at the place, but he didn't pick up. So I'm just going to head home, and then Andrew will have to follow me to that location, and then I drop Dom off and we just go from there. But yeah, this is not what I was expecting. Like, I just wasted 2 hours of my life. Great. You know what? I'm actually just gonna take Dom to that location, and it's Lyft and Uber here, so I can just Lyft and Uber home if I need to. But yeah, it's 2:21. And I'm just gonna go ahead and head there, and I'll catch y'all guys later. Get you guys caught up. I'm literally on the expressway in a median, and basically Domino oil completely dropped. So that was Walmart. I'm on the expressway. I'll show you guys in a second. Basically, Domino's oil level completely dropped, and then I'm looking to see where my nearest exit is because I wanted to pull off, and then all of a sudden she starts smoking from the back. So I just called Andrew. He's on his way, and then I called Walmart to see what the hell they did. And basically, you know, he was saying that it was stripped. He really couldn't do much. All he was able to do was change my oil filter. And then he was like, well, go check and see if it's oil on the ground. And it is oil everywhere. So I don't know what he did, what Walmart did, but they did something. He's on his way to come here, the Walmart dude. I guess he's bringing oil. Crazy enough, I have oil now, and I was gonna put that in, but they messed it up. So he's on his way to come pick me up, and I'll show you what I'm working with outside. I'm literally on the side of the road. So now Andrew is on his way too, and they're on their way, so I just gotta wait it out. This was not supposed to happen. Like, I am just, my hair is crazy. If something is seriously wrong with Dom, like, I'm telling you straight up, me and Walmart, I'm still sitting here, y'all. Like, I literally feel sick to my stomach. Like, my hands are shaking because I'm just like hardcore upset, you know, like at the negligence. Like, this is so bad, and I don't know how bad the problem is. Like, it's oil all on the ground. And of course she started smoking. She's never done that before, like not smoking under the hood, but she had this thick cloud of white smoke behind her. And I was so happy I could pull off into the median, because the nearest exit, I think honestly, is maybe a half a mile up. But when I pulled into this median to stop, it said eh, and then she basically cut off anyway. So it was like I did the right thing, basically pulling into the median. But the Walmart guy still hasn't made it here. Andrew hasn't made it here. But like, I am just so upset because this is all new, and this was brought on by Walmart, whatever they did or what they didn't do, and then what led Walmart to their error. Just like, just know if anything is wrong with Dom when it comes to oil and, you know, all that stuff, it is Walmart's fault. Like, anyway, I have everything recorded with that guy owning up to whatever he did. He is actually on his way to come do whatever, put some oil in Dom. So I feel like that means he's taking ownership. Walmart is taking ownership of whatever they did to Domino. And after we leave here, the road, and then if something is wrong past this oil change, me and Walmart got some problems. Like, straight up, me and Walmart got problems. I'm due to leave out in like 2 to 3 weeks, less than 3 weeks. I'm just so done. Like, my stomach is turning, and I just don't know. Alright friends, it is a brand new day. Sorry for the road noise if you hear it. I am in the beep beep Mini Cooper on my way to Walmart. I will not have my camera inside of the Walmart store, so I'll pick you guys back up after this conversation and we'll see where we go from here. Wish me luck. Well, we are back in the Mini and the claim has been filed. Basically, now it's just a waiting game. I could know something. I can hear back from the insurance company tomorrow, or it could be the very next day. So to be honest, now we just wait. So I think this is where I am going to sign off and leave you guys. I'll keep you guys posted, and we'll just see where we go from here. Right now, it kind of looks like Vanlife has been put on pause. So there's that. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing if there's something you like. And I'll catch you guys next Friday. Bye.